today's fast-paced business environment, organizations face numerous challenges when it comes to asset maintenance. But what if there was a smarter way to tackle these issues? Introducing iAssist AI-powered asset maintenance with SAP Business Technology Platform. Imagine having rooms filled with documents and manuals, yet struggling to find the right information when you need it. This is a common challenge faced by many organizations. But now, with AI-powered asset maintenance, you can say goodbye to the endless search for information buried in thousands of pages. iAssist AI-powered asset maintenance with SAP Business Technology Platform. Through generative AI chat bots, workflow automation, and a user-friendly mobile app, we're revolutionizing asset collaboration. Our solution combines generative AI-powered chat bots, workflow automation, and a mobile app to empower your team with accurate information, exactly when they need it. Whether you're an OEM looking to monetize your digital assets, a service provider aiming to optimize maintenance services, or an asset operator needing precise master data, we've got you covered. With SAP's Business Network for Asset Collaboration, we facilitate seamless communication and collaboration between OEMs, service providers, and asset operators. Don't let information silos slow you down. Embrace AI-powered asset maintenance with SAP BTP and transform the way you manage your assets. Your future begins now. To know more, connect with Intellect Bizware.